All right, guys. Oh man, I tell you what, it's really hot out here. It hadn't rained in a few days, so guys, I'm gonna go through some of the smaller details. As you can see, what we got here is we got the footings poured. We have our footings poured, so you can kind of see what we got here. Guys are cutting some more dowels. You guys can see that right there. This thing's kind of look good. I can smell the what they call it, the release agent. These are the form boards, and I swear, man, I need to pick a couple of them up just to see if I still got it. These things are not easy. Not that bad. Oh, man. Make sure we got our plans here. I like this right here, guys. I laminated these plans for these guys, so they can't tear them up. These markings here, see these markings. Hey guys, by the way, you guys could, I'm gonna do a little bit more on this right here video. I'm gonna do for the members channel. We starting that back up again. So for the members, guys, I'm gonna have another video on here where I go into detail on exactly what needs to be done and what you guys need to see out here and what you need to pay attention to, and things that me and the concrete subcontractor went through. But basically on this right here part, guys, you guys are able to just see kind of what we got going on here. Looks really good, man. Notice we got these dowels going on here, coming out the ground. We got a step up over here, keeping it continuous. So guys, like I said, if you want to join the members channel, you can come on and join the members channel. You can kind of, I go into detail. I turn this camera around and I go into detail. You see what I see, and I tell you what you need to know if you guys are gonna try to be out here trying to build, especially basement. It took a minute for me to start building basements, guys. Especially the main level garage, guys. You know, I think I started out. What I started out on? I started out on a crawl space, and then I think the next house I built was a monolithic slab, and then I think I did a regular basement without a main level garage, and then I got into the basement with main level garage, guys. So when you building a basement with the main level garage, you got everything going on there, guys. So you really got to have that thing kind of figured out. I like how these guys got the they got their little trail over here, man. They locked that bad boy up, you know. So I just on the members only channel, man, I'm gonna turn this thing around and we're gonna go over everything. You guys kind of see what we got going on. Man, we got everything in that thing. We got all kind of stuff that they need. I ain't gonna, we got everything they need in here, man. So looks really good, guys. Oh, that's the they finna close it up, man. That's the, I got that stuff right there for the pump that release agent on this right here. So this is what we look like, guys. This is what we look for. Man, these guys have built some ladders out here. I'm glad I ain't got no lumber out here. Boy, it's a lot of rebar. It's really hot out here too, guys. I tell you what, it's hot as all hotness. All right. Once again, guys, this is a basement here, guys. This is what it looks like. This is what you want this thing to look like. I'll do a little bit more of these things to show you what this is gonna look like. Guys, you can see these form boards. I can't go into detail. That's for the members only. Once again, guys, like, share, subscribe. At the end of the day, it is what it is. And this is the way.